Okay, so good evening everybody and once again welcome back in today's class. Today I guess we're on the day number 14, right? Yes, day number 14. So till the time what we discuss is basically from the backend perspective. We did not call this as a backend, we called it as a native view. Okay. Now in the next 3 days topic or the 4 days topic which we are going to discuss is basically for the front end. From the customer perspective, even not customers are not the right word here because when we talk about this ITSM module, there is no customer we include this that as an end user who is going to be use my system. Okay, so now we are going to be discuss from the end user perspective. The point is that let's say if you want to order something, maybe some clothing, maybe some food. Before this app stuff come into the picture, we have the websites. You go to website and you make your order from there. And then this app comes in the picture and people start downloading it, building it, and all things will be there. Now, two questions come. Number one, is ServiceNow also have some kind of a app? Answer is yes. ServiceNow has a 3 type of mobile app for 3 type of different users. Okay. For 3 type of different users, we have 3 apps. Let me bring him. Okay. Now, do ServiceNow have any kind of a website for the users? Answer is yes, but we did not call that as a website. We call that as a service portal. So today we are going to be discuss about that service portal. Okay, that what is service portal and how it can be built up. Okay, that is the thing which we are going to be discussed today. Okay, when I get ServiceNow instance, I get service portal as well from ServiceNow. Out of the box, we got a service portal and that we called as a SP. SP. Okay. Hi, Rus.
Hi there, some technical issues.
No problem, that's fine. Okay, so that we called as a SP, service portal. And we can configure that service portal or we can customize that service portal according to the need. Okay, now I'll show you here how to get or how to use or how to log into service portal. SP. If I say, did you log into Amazon website? Atul, come on, yes. Flipkart, yes. Airlines booking, yes. In the same manner, we have this service portal. Out of the box given by ServiceNow with the standard configurations. Again, banner frame, menu, search boxes, and all the things are there. So next, when I say next 2 or 3 days, we are going to be discussed in and around about the service portal itself. Okay, in and around of the service portal itself. Let's spend few minutes to understand that what the service portal contain. Okay, so this service portal mainly divided in 4 sections, or I can say 4 sections mainly. One is on the header, which includes my banner image and includes my menu. Like if I go here and I show you Microsoft. Okay, let's say Microsoft. This is a website. Yes, it's a website. But if I say this is a portal for me where I'm going to be order something, what that something called in ServiceNow world that called product and services. So Microsoft is selling these products and they're selling some services as well. Okay, so on the top, they have a banner image and they have a menu. In the same manner, we have a banner image, we have a menu. The first menu called the knowledge. How to configure email. I'm new in the industry. I don't do anything. I go to Microsoft and put this thing. Now this is becoming right. What all these called? These are called the knowledge articles. This knowledge in service now we have a concept called the knowledge management and that is part of ITSM. In the same manner, we have a knowledge. You click here and you can see different categories. Application under Microsoft, devices, email, suppliers, and these are created by the users who are using ServiceNow. But that is not part of our training. That how to create, who will create. That's not the part of that part. That this training. Okay, so this is a knowledge menu, but it is a configurable part. Now, if I come here, I want to get some products. What do you want? I want products for individuals. These are called my catalog. In simple layman language, catalog is nothing, it's a menu card. जाते हैं ना restaurants, when we go for the restaurants. Now the trend has been totally changed. When the girls go for the shopping, for some special occasions, like I'm sure that for Eid you are preparing something special from the clothing perspective. On some marriages we prepare. We go to big showroom. Sir, this is my catalog. You see the catalog and let us know. So catalog is nothing, it's a menu card. And in this training, we are going to be discuss that how this menu card has been built up. I click on the catalog, click on the categories. Madam, क्या चाहिए आपको बताइए? You need something marriages specific, holiday perspective, night suits, morning suits, jogging suits, what do you need? And these are the categories. If you see here, when I click on this product, these are the categories. What do you want? 365, Teams, Windows, Surface, Xbox, Deal, what do you want? These are the categories. Maybe for as of now you can say it's a catalog itself. I need Surface. In Surface, we have these many things. So now let's come here. These are the catalog and these are the categories. We have these many catalogs. Out of the box ServiceNow give all, service and technical. This is coming because I activated the human resource plugin in my instance. This is I created for some examples. And these are the categories. Now let's say Amber told to Khaldal, let's go for a dinner outside some restaurant. Okay. They both go for a dinner and the waiter bring a menu card. Now Amber or Khalda will order an item. Please bring this soup. They will not ordering the category. कि भैया soup ले आओ. They're ordering, we need this specific, maybe tomato soup, or maybe if I go on the main course, bring stream rice. In the rice, he has 5 or 7 type of stream rice, jeera rice, boiled rice kind of things. But they order just one item that is called the stream rice. And that is called the catalog item. This is my catalog item, which is you are going to be order. आप कभी दुकान पे जाके नहीं कहते भैया सारे फ्रूट्स दे दो. You only say कि I need 1 kg apple or 2 kg apple or dates and all the things we need it. Okay, so this is item and everything work on the item here. Okay, that is the one thing. Now same thing, catalog and request If you click on request, you can see what are the requests opened on your name, opened by you. If you are approval somewhere, you will see the approval option as well. That where you need to be approved. This is not available, I guess, for ITIL users. It is just for this, I can say, admin. Wish list and the cart. I wish I should purchase, keep in the cart that part. And when you are be ordering, but you are waiting for something more to become, then adding on the cart. Okay, this is the top menu. This is called the global search. Again, only in the term of service now. Sorry, in the term of the portal. I want to configure email and I enter. So it will go in the background. It will find out where the email word has been mentioned in the knowledge base or in the catalogs. And I can open and do my work. That is the second part of this portal. Third part, these things. This is nothing new. This is again request something is coming from catalog, knowledge base is coming from knowledge, and get help is for the incident. But these are the three different widgets. Now I'm adding a word called the widget. These are the widget. Widget is something a container which is built for a specific purpose. Like if you open the WhatsApp and you click on the photo, you cannot send money from that particular photo. You only can send photo and only photo. That is a widget has been designed. So this is a widget has been given by ServiceNow. So these are the out of the box widgets. We are allowed to make a change in the widgets, but if you are making a change in the out of the box component which is present here, that fall under the category of the customization. If you want to work in the service portal, you should know HTML, CSS, JavaScript, AngularJS. That is must for this particular portal. High demand in the market for the portal developers, but it's required a pure coding part. This page is nothing. This complete page is HTML page only. But different widgets code has been written in that part. I will show you now the background. Clear to this point, buddy.
Yep.
Good. Now let's come here and search for the portals. Here. So here you can see ServiceNow provided me 10 portal as per the plugins activated by me. This is the default portal which we're talking, service portal. Click on the service portal here. Remember one thing, anything which you're able to see here on this particular page, these are coming from the different pages. Okay, I'll show you that part. Now come here. This SP, this word, it is coming from here. If I put LNG and save, now if I refresh, it will not find. But if I put, it will work. So remember, the suffix play a very vital role. Now the question comes, is it a case sensitive? Yes, it is a case sensitive, guys. So if I say LNG this or LNG this or LNG, these three are different suffix link. So always remember that what you are referring. Okay, one part. So I'll put good.
So see, when we are doing this portal for a client, for example, how will you share the final work with the client? Is it like a URL, or can we add this like a application on your navigation pane?
You mean here? You mean here or what? Arus.
Yeah, sorry, I was on mute. Yeah, anywhere on those navigation pane, like under service portals, can we add, or it's
see you can create. There's a see it is nothing. It is just a link to be referenced, right? So you can create a menu or module and you can put it will open then another window.
Okay.
But remember one thing, maybe you missed out in the beginning, that service portal is not for the fulfiller. Service portal is only for the end users. I tell you, I give one example. When you raise any incident, let's say your internet is not working and you raise a incident for the Vodafone or the Airtel. The interface you're using, that is service portal for you. You just from the service portal as an end user, you can check the knowledge, you can order product and services, you can order some request. But other than this, you cannot do as an end user. You don't assume that if I raise an incident, I can resolve it here. No, for the resolution, you need to be go backend. So this is front end, this is backend. In the simple words, you can understand by this manner.
Yeah, that was
Okay. Now when I click on this index, let me open this. Okay. Is equal to index. This one. Sorry. Now you can see these things. Let me show you. So the index homepage is coming from the index from here. It is referring to a field. Sorry, it is referring to a reference field. But if you want to see the actual code, click here. And you can see here the actual stuff. This is the code has been written here. If you want, you can create your own pages. See, they have created this page. How we can help you, container to search, request something, knowledge base. They have created this thing. We will see that how I can create my own service portal. But as of now, let's understand out of the box service portal first. Now, when I click on this page is coming, right? It is coming from here. Open and see the code. So when I say that service portal is like a website, but that website referring to the multiple pages, different pages. So this is what they have write the code here. This thing. It's a page. If you want to see, I can show you. Pages. See, open this. You can see the pages here. See. Index. It is coming from here. So service portal is nothing. It's a container which contain a lot of different pages. Now let's come here. Now if I put like this, it's going on this 404. It is coming from here. Tick. This menu card you are able to see, right? Let's come here and show you this menu. SP header menu. Let me remove this and put some other HR header and save. And now see, it has been changed. So menus are coming from the menu table itself. You want to see, click and open this. See, SP, it's coming from the SP instance menu table. And they have a menu created. You can see here. Now theme, you're seeing the green color. Lazola, let me create it. HRM theme. And reload this. See, theme has been changed. Blue something and this blue and all these things becoming like this. So these are coming from this area. Now if I click on this, okay, we don't have this part. So there is nothing like that. So and a basic code is written like this. quick start, quick config. These are the hard-coded values. These are sysid. When they're referring to somewhere, I'm not sure that what they are referring here. Hero background image. And here you can see that when you search, it go in these two areas. When you see the knowledge base, it will refer only IT knowledge base. When you go for the catalog, it will show these 5 catalogs. Taxonomy basically has been added by ServiceNow for the ECS portal, Employee Service Center portal. Advanced portal given by ServiceNow. So ServiceNow is moving or is on the way to remove this service portal and bringing a portal called the ECS, Employee Service Portal. I show you that as well. Service Center. This is a new portal, a very good portal. This is a portal where you can see IT, where you can see HR, where you can see the GRCs as well. A lot of things you can see here. Like for IT, you want to go, you can do this thing. So the work which you're able to do from here, you can do from here as well. But now the question comes, then why ServiceNow not using this? They built up and they encouraging their customers to use this. But as of now, there's no plan to decommission this. It will be continue. Service portal will be continue. OK. Now we understand that from where these parts are coming. Clear till this point? Any doubt? No. Good.
Other one question.
Good.
That form which you showed for the service portal configuration, right? Not this one. Can you go up? Yeah, same. Can you go up? Yeah, this one. So what you see, the form fields, what you see, all these things. For example, the main menu, the HR header which you chose. So those things we need to configure, right? If you are going to set up this as a new for some.
Yes, you can configure, or if you want to build, you can build as well new.
Okay, everything that whatever for the fields you have here are the customizable things.
Let's build our portal now.
Okay.
Then you will see all these things. So I'm coming here, portal, click on the portals here, click on the new. Title, best 12, suffix, best 12. Okay. Now if I just save this and let's come here and remove this best 12. See, nothing is coming, only the default page is coming. Not sure from where it is becoming. I have literally no idea from where this page is coming. Practically should be blank, complete blank. But there's no header, no menu, nothing is there. Okay, now let's come here. I want whenever my user login in a home page, he should be able to see announcements. I'll show. See, these are pre-built given by ServiceNow. You can build if you want, but that is a pure customization. I'm telling you. Now, if you load and come here, see, announcements are coming. Why? Because I configured the home page's announcement. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Now, what you want on the KB page? I want KB page should be 404. Or let's say it should be 404 and it should be announcement. Because pages तो ना, मतलब भैया देखो. If I take a simple example, you need to make 5 dishes in the house, and all five are the salty one. Maybe in one place you put in one dish you put less salt, in another dish you put the more salt, but ingredient will be same. So the pages which appear in these boxes will be same. It's totally up to you where you want to be used. So now save and reload. See, not found. Why? Because this is what we have configured. If you want some message here, you can put your message. You can create your own page, you can put it. Okay, so let's say I'm coming on the index so that we can build a similar what we have seen. Knowledge, KB home. Let's say KB home. For not for page, I want announcements. Okay. Okay, let's save this and reload this page. Right. What happened? Why the next page is not coming properly? Acha, abhi wo nahi hai na, headers nahi. Okay, let me bring the menu as well. What menu you need? So we have these many menu available. Let's say I put sp config menu and save and reload this page. Some cache is there, I'm sure. Maybe some cache is there, otherwise it should show this part. Need to be see that why it's not showing. Can anybody try this link? Base 12. Just try. Are you able to see the menu or not? Because I'm sure in my system it's a cache. Okay, chalo, in the come, let me put the theme here. Lazola is the default theme. If you want, you can put that only. Let me put that and let me change this header as well. SP header menu. Okay, login page is missing, but there's nothing to be worried on that login page. Now it's coming. See, now it's coming. So it's coming base 12 and all these things. If you want, you can put login page, logo, icon you can put. If I click on this catalog, it's going me on this particular page, right? If you want, you can change here as well. Catalog homepage should be application. Category page should be Kels. Just doing some R&D to show you that what I'm saying is actually did the right thing or not. If I click on catalog, see, it's taking me the application page. Why? Because I put the application page. If you remove, by default, it will pick up the categories sp underscore catalog only. So like this, you can see here. Oh, come back here. Okay. Now let's see how to make a changes in these boxes or than these pages. One thing always remember, if you are using the out of the box components, specifically widgets, pages, and if you make a change in that, you are making a change in the global level. This is what ServiceNow added in the Utah release, specifically in the workflow part, not here as of now. So what to do when you want to be changed? Come here and put portal service portal configuration. Click on this. So when you want to do configuration, you have 6 or this 5 options. 4: branding, designing, page, and widget. The way we created new portal, you can create new portal from here as well if you want. So I want to change the branding. Open. It says, this is important. It says which particular portal you want to change the branding. So first of all, select your own portal. It's a base 12. Okay. This is my portal, right? You want to change the title? Yes, base 12 LNG. And you will see the changes are coming so quickly. Upload an image. Yes, I want to put up image like this. See, image gets changed, but it's see image is also there now. Atul thoda sa padding, left padding, right padding karta. Okay, that's up to you. You want to do something. That is the benefit of this particular stuff. You are able to view what you're changing now. Now come on the theme color. Atul ye badhiya nahi hai. Now one more thing, ServiceNow introduced a new concept in the Utah release called the theme builder. You can design the complete theme in a builder. Okay, I want to change this navigation color. I'm putting yellow color intentionally so that we can see the differences are coming or not. Let's say this blue color. Okay, navigation divider. This one. See, change color has been changed. Navigation link over. If I come here like this. Brand. So here you can see what you want to make a change. See, these many options are available. Text color you want to change. Red. Test success. Text muted. Not sure that what these color mean actually. Info message you want to show, you can show in this manner. Warning message you want to show, you can show in the red color like this. So this option is basically used. So now it's work. Fine. Done. Now let's come and see here. If something has been changed or not. Tough to identify what has been changed, but this thing I can notice one thing has been changed. Image has been changed. OK. So any kind of a branding changes you can do. But remember, if this portal has been used by the multiple departments, then it will be a global change. And I strongly recommend you guys go here and check the theme builder. Try to explore this. You can get little bit information from one of my video about the theme builder, that how it can be used, what is the purpose of using this on, and all the things you can discuss it. Okay, this is what about the branding. तो ठीक है, branding हो गई सही. Now what next? Next is called the designing. Click on the designer. Designer means I want to build a page. I want to modify this page. I want to modify the structure of this page. I want to design that. So come here. Let it be load completely and then I'll show you. So welcome to the ServiceNow portal designer. So these are the pages. Index. This is what page, right? So here you can see. So here you can see two things, widgets and the pages. And you can see that how this page has been built up. Let's say I'll take one page. OK, let's say this thing. I want to add the clocks here. Clock is a widget. So what I'll do, I'll put a container here first. OK, now container is a very big one. I put 3 sections under that, 1, 2, and 3. And in this section, see, I'm changing the page and it's a global page. If you're using index page anywhere else, same changes will be coming. And in these sections, I want in one, I want announcement, drag and drop. OK, I want approval info, drag and drop. And I want, I'll show you something that is called clock. I want this thing. Done. And now if you want to see the preview, go and reload. This is called the designing part. But remember, if let's say Arus is creating its own portal and he will use index, he will see the same these things because it's a global level change. So whenever you want to make a change, in the pages, make sure that page should not be a global page. Otherwise, it will going to impact every other place. This is what we can do from the designing. From the designing part. Atul, I want to create my own new page. ठीक है ना, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Click here. And let's say, can I have an option here? Page. Home page, nahi. Let's say, okay, one more thing. It's important. I want to change this context, this thing. So click on this pencil icon and you can change it here. Welcome in LNG. Control S. See, it's changed. You can make a change in this widget from the portal itself. Right click, sorry, control and right click. It will open in the same option. Go to the edit container background, edit schema, edit the widget, because this is coming from the widget. Edit in widget in editor. And now you can make a change. So a lot of things which you're seeing here is it's purely from the widgets. So now you can see here. If you want, you can make a change easily, no problem in that. But ServiceNow say it is a global page. If you want to change, please copy this page and then make a changes. OK, so now let me come here. So you can do widgets. You can do pages. OK, and now if I go to the third option, portal is something which you already see. OK, this is OK. This is good. This is the way my page has been designed. It has a base 12. Yes. Theme is Lazola and menu is this. Under Lazola, I'm getting stock header. Under header, I'm getting these options like this. You want to see the LNG portal? Let me show you. Service portal. See, service portal has these things. If you're stuck, तो समझ नहीं आ रहा कि इस पेज में से ये कैसे चेंज होगा. Come to the portal and see this. So now if I come to my batch 12 and here I can see approval में change करना, click on this. The page will open for you. See, you can make changes here. In case you want to create your own page, click on the pages. Here, if you see, I have a lot of pages. Again, out of the box pages. If you want to create, you can create your own page as well. Select a page above this. You can select any page because I'm in the configuration, service portal configuration. Do you have any option for the create new? No. So I can make a change in the existing one only here. But if I see here, let me go and I can create a pages from here as well. Let's say I want to create a new page. LNG batch. LNG underscore batch. And save. Now, if you go in the portal configuration here and just reload this page, I will get my page. And now we can work on this page. Open the designer. This is my page. I can do anything here. What you want to bring? तो पहले तो एक container add करते हैं. ठीक है. I want like this boxes. 2222. ठीक है. 363. I want something new. ऐसे नहीं आएगा. These will not come alone. For this, you have to do the container. It's must. Like this. And here you can go the widgets. What do you want to show? Action widget. Announcement. Like this. I can put. Yes. Now, Arus has a question. Atul, I want to create my own widget. No worries. Who stop you? Come here. It is gone. Come here. Click on the widget. It says You want to change existing widget, then search it from here. You want to get a new widget, click on this. But the only problem we have here is that I'm not a developer. Widget name LNG. You want to get a test page for this? Yes or no, up to you. Submit. Now, if you know the HTML template, you know the CSS, you know the client script, you know the server side script, create it. I have no issues. Let's say normal HTML page will copy. Simple HTML code. Oh. Or beginner. I'm not a developer, so I have to do this thing only. Okay. So let's say this one. I'll copy this in our widget. Okay, and Control S. Done. Now come to our page. Come here page, right? ये हो गया. Let's see our widget. LNG. Achha, we have to refresh it once. Now let's see our page widget LNG. I'm just giving you a sample that what it looked like. Okay. Now only thing is left. We created this page and we did not edit this page in our portal. If you want to see the preview, click here. कुछ भी नहीं आ रहा. अरे विजिट तो आया था कम से कम हमारा, वो भी नहीं आ रहा. Something wrong with this widget क्या? Maybe something. Okay, now it's becoming. Preview. So this is what service now other benefit. You can check on the website in the computer. You can check in the tablet format and you can check in the mobile format. So my code is working. If you know HTML, CSS, everything you can build your own widget. Clear everybody? Any doubt? Any question? Any clarification?
Yeah, Atul, one question.
Go ahead.
You said there is one change that happened in the Utah release, right?
Yes, Utah release, right?
Can you repeat that, please?
Okay, so ServiceNow introduced a concept called the theme builder. It's
yeah.
It is here. Let me show you here.
I remember you saying like if we update somewhere something, it will be like a global updates.
Right. Okay. That one. So yeah. Like if you notice, let me come here. Pages. Okay. Let's open this. So ServiceNow gave me out of the box these many pages. Let's say I'm using index. Okay. Now this page, let's say you build one portal, Hima build one portal, Khalda build one portal, and Jyoti build one portal. And I am building a portal. And you all guys use this page. When I was building, I thought, yaar, I need to make some changes in the color. As soon as I go and make a change in this page, the color will be reflecting in your portals as well. Then you have a question, hey, who changed this color? Because nobody, you did not change it. Then who changed this color? Because it is coming from the global page, so it is applicable for everybody. This is what ServiceNow recommend. Also, one more thing. Whenever we upgrade our instances, okay, so this is ServiceNow practice. Either it is a client script, it is a business tool, it is a UI action, it is a service portal, it is a widgets, where what you're getting from the ServiceNow out of the box. If you want to make a change in that, always make a copy and then change. Because otherwise what will happen when you do the upgrades, you will find this issue that it is showing as a conflict. So to avoid that part, we will have a concept of the upgrade as well later on. Okay, and maybe after this topic, we will see when we move the update sets. The similar concept come in the upgrades as well. Okay, so never ever make a changes in the out of the box components directly.
Okay, but
yeah, go ahead.
Atul, this is related to this particular instance, right? Like if you are working in this, yeah. Okay.
But if in the same instance, you 5 or 4 guys are made your own portal using the same page, then I'll give an example. I got it. Yeah. Let's say we have a big bowl where a common gravy is there. Okay. Now you are making some paneer sabji with that gravy, and Jyoti is making something else. I tasted that gravy. Hey, it's little less salty, and I put the salt on the top of that. And you pick up the gravy and you put in your curry and you put more salt. Now tell me what happened. Due to my changes, your vegetables or your dish is also getting impacted now, right? This is what the concept here. If anybody come and make a change in the global page on this page, which is widely used or everybody using, then the changes will reflect in everybody's place. It's like a system property. You can say simple. It's not a module level property. It's a system property. Okay. So these things always remember. And also, as I say, repeating these words, don't make a change in out of the box components, business rule, client scripts. No, that is not recommended. Make a copy and then change it. That is the reason if you see that button is available, insert and insert stay. You cannot control C, control V in service now. No. Insert and stay is the right option to do that part. Here, if you go here, that widget, let me open this widgets. Edit and listing widget, I said yes. I want to change in the announcement widget. Okay. It says this widget is read only, cannot edit it except the public checkbox has been ticked. You can clone this widget by clicking on this icon. So you have to go here. If you make a tick, then it is a. If you make it will be applicable for everybody, and it is also not recommended. They says better clone it. Let's see LNG announce. So that now it's my page. Announcement is different. LNG announcement is different. Code is same. Now I can make a changes here. That's fine for me. That's fine for me. I can make a changes here. Because in this case, it is not going to affect anybody. Because I make a change in the page. So it should be, I have to be check LNG underscore this one. So now you can see this option is not there, right? So I can make any changes. It will work for me. And it's not going to impact on the global level because I already copied it. This is what ServiceNow recommend. Specifically in the case of the service portal, don't make any changes in the widgets, out of the box widgets, out of the box pages. Copy and then make it. Clear, guys, till this point.
Yep.
Jyoti, Hima. Good. So with this, we have completed the major topic of this service portal. Okay. Is your instances wake up now? Because it was in hibernation mode yesterday when I tried. Can you check quickly?
Yeah, I'm checking.
Then I'll pick up this topic, small topic, then it will be completed. Okay. In the meantime, Arus is checking. Let me give you one more thought here. Atul, you are in a service now for 8-9 years now. Daily you're dealing in these concepts. You know almost processing and all the things. How we can learn. That is more important. How we should know that what is the service now. What I can say. Processes are there. Yes, Arus, speaking something. Okay, so here ServiceNow give a concept called the now create. I'm just giving a thought in your mind. We'll not discuss this part. Okay. Now create, if you go in the Google and mention now create, you will find that in this particular place, it's a repository. It's a hub where you can find the documentation related to the processes, incident, change, problem, request, knowledge, ServiceNow, CMDB, CSGM, APM, discovery. A lot of options a lot of things are available. We'll pick up this topic some other day, but this is the best place or source of truth if you want to know the flow, how it's defined, how it's working in ServiceNow area. Okay. Try to give some thought, try to read something on the internet about these things. ServiceNow now create. Okay.
Okay.
Arus ready?
It's waking up.
Okay. Chalo. We'll pick up this topic now only. Let me say I'm here now. I'll go to the user. Oh. User admin and click on the user. Now the concept come that we create transform map and we bring the data in my instance. Let's say my instance is the dev instance. Arus instance is a production instance. So we did not create the data again and again. Uska reason hai. Let me see Arus name here. Okay. So we have this thing, Arus Best 12 Director Product Management. Okay. Let's see once Arus profile is open. It was dev 10 something is there. Let me check that link as well, which provided by Arus to me here. May not open in this place.
Yeah, it's available now.
Yep, it's available. Yep. And what is game Atulji and okay. Okay. Good. So this is Arus instance. Let's say this is production and mine was dev. Whenever we need to move the data, specifically foundation data, we never ever create the import set or the transfer map again in the upper instances. Number 1 point. Okay. So what we have to do. So now I'll go here. User admin. Arus, you did not give me the admin rights.
Oh, just a second. Give me a moment. He's right there.
Right. See how. So you can do a lot of things in ServiceNow only and only when you have an admin right, specifically the configurations I'm saying. Okay. And once Arus will give me the admin rights, then I have to be log out and log in again. Arus done?
It's not loading.
Oh. I think need to be skip this topic for today then.
Yeah, just a second.
Come on, Arus, quickly.
Yeah, just a second. It's by default getting into your profile because I was testing that yesterday. So
Yes. Let me try. No, see, because I saw first when I log in, I saw this thing because I don't have able to see the other workspaces. It means I don't have a proper access. And also there's no impersonation role has been given to me. No global search is available for me. It indicates that I don't have a proper access in this particular instance.
Yeah, I'm just giving you Adillah. Just a second.
And do one more thing, Arus, Monday na, make sure Monday this instance is also working. We will do updates at moment as well. Okay.
Okay. I gave you that one. Can you please check it?
Let me log in now. Yes, see, this is coming. Okay, it's not installed maybe. Okay, this is coming good. So now what I will do, I'll go here, user admin. नहीं Arus अभी भी नहीं है.
Yeah, I gave. Yeah, I can see in the roles admin.
Let me log out and log in again. Look like no, still let's नहीं अभी भी नहीं Arus.
Can I share my?
It should be. हाँ करो एक बार screen share करो. We'll see.
Okay.
We'll sort out this problem now.
Yeah, I'm sharing my screen. Do you see my screen?
No, it's still not loading for me. Not loading for me. Can you share it again? I stopped sharing now.
Yeah.
Now it's still loading.
Okay.
Go ahead. You have given this admin rights.
Yeah.
On which instance you are in Utah or the lower one? No, okay, that is there. Keep it. Wait, let me log in again. Sometimes it's some cache issue as well. That's fine.
Okay.
नहीं यार उस अभी भी नहीं है. Let's not let's do one thing.
Okay.
You can check again. We'll pick up this topic on Monday. Okay. Check.
I'll try to log in by your profile and check it.
You can log in or you can impersonate as well.
Okay.
See, I should be able to see this admin as well, right? You can able to see workspace and admin. I should be able to see that.
Okay.
Because I'm a system admin, right? So if you impersonate. It's loading. Okay, now you're able to see. Yes. I guess user admin. Na?
Yeah, now I think it should be admin.
Let me try in my other browser. Sometime happens for the browser issue as well.
Okay.
Let me log in again. Yes, now I'm able to do that part. Okay, no worries. We will pick up this topic on Monday. So Monday we will do this plus update set movement. Just make sure that your instance should be in the running condition.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay.
What time are that?
Yep, we will discuss now. So anything else before I stop the recording, guys? Any question on today's topic? Okay, good. Let me stop it recording here.